Welcome to our Halloween video, our Halloween weekend. We
feel like do not drop the camera.
I will not. We are at the Grand America. Lincoln was just jumping on the furniture in the Little America, and I leaned down and I said, "Don't you ever put your feet on the furniture again." I said, "Do you do that at my house?" He said, "No." And I said, "Then don't you do it here." And some guy walking by said, "Good job, Mom." I was like, "Thank you." What did you say Grandma says?
Grandma says, like, if we ever get in trouble, she'll say, "Don't you ever do that again." She always says ever.
She says ever twice. She's like, "Don't you ever do that again." The last one she's like, "Ever." I think it's endearing, Grandma Griffith, that they remember exactly how you say it, because it means they're listening. First, I want to tell you guys, thank you for being the best sports about doing Halloween just a little bit different this year. We've had COVID, we've had quarantine. I enjoyed canceling life so much that I just didn't want to jump back into things just because society tells us that's how we're supposed to celebrate things. The only thing I care about is you guys, and I just wanted to be with you. I didn't want to go trick-or-treating. I didn't want to touch candy and doorknobs and doorbells and doors that a million other people are touching. I just wanted it to be us before we jump back into real life again. So we are gonna have Halloween our way. We're gonna do what we want, what I want, because I'm the mom and I have the say. So thank you for not throwing a fit, and we're gonna have fun anyway, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We already had a bunch of fun. We've gone down to the pool. There's a Ferrari shop down there. We got Cheesecake Factory. And we're gonna go
and we're gonna rent a movie.
And we're gonna, like, ride on some electric scooters. Maybe.
Okay, happy Halloween Eve!
See that yellow square down there? That's the Ferrari shop. And that's the symbol for it. With the horse.
Go ahead and take yours off. That one's yours.
Mine.
Look how pretty. That's for Olivia. Good morning and happy Halloween.
I'm so excited to eat. Yeah, there's a bug in one.
Okay, Boston breakfast is served. Happy Halloween. Cody and Lincoln, happy Halloween.
Halloween.
Kids are a little banged up from all the swimming and running things we've been doing, but we have to get out of the hotel room because Olivia has a scavenger hunt for us. Right now, yes. No, I thought it was around the whole hotel, but it is actually
in the hotel room, which I'm very relieved. So we have to go out. Come on out. Olivia is so dang sweet. She told me she had a game and I completely let her be in charge of the game. So we are going to head out. We'll be in the hall. You guys do your thing. Call us when you're ready. I think that means it's time. Oh, I think that means come in.
Okay, welcome to the Halloween scavenger hunt. I will give you this card, and you will read the card. Now, on the back of the paper, it will have somebody's name. You will answer the question, and then you will move on to the next round. Okay? Now, here's the card.
What do witches have on their face?
No, you didn't.
Check the finger.
Check the fridge.
So who's supposed to check the fridge?
Now, let's see. Okay, so we have to answer the question.
Olivia.
Do you want to help me? Okay, what
So read the question again, Code, so people can think.
What do witches have on their face?
do they have? Glasses, makeup, nose ring, or warts? Which one do you think it is, Lincoln?
Warts.
You think it is? Positive? Okay, you can grab the bag and look inside. Let's see, it says, go to mom and dad's bedroom. What goes boo?
Bats, cats, pumpkins, or ghosts. It says, dress up as a pirate, you need, go to the bathroom.
You gotta go potty first.
And
So
Boston,
Okay, so Boston reads the next one.
dress up as a pirate, what do you need? As a pirate, have a hook, a ring, a bracelet, or mittens. Grab it.
Let's see if you're right.
Olivia, these are so cute.
What do we eat on Halloween? Behind TV.
Moms. What do we eat on Halloween?
Candy.
What's the other?
Hold on, what's the other
the other
bags? Can we see what the other choice is? So there's,
Broccoli and candy.
let me see. Can I see the broccoli one? So which one do you want to eat?
Broccoli, candy. You want candy? I thought you liked broccoli.
What does
What
it say,
does it say?
Lincoln?
Check under the kids' bed. Happy Halloween.
Oh, well, where did you guys sleep?
I slept all night. Now you can search around the room and try finding it. Where do you?
It's okay, everyone can look. Let's see if everyone can find what.
It's under kids' beds, Cody. You gotta check.
Woo!
There's one. There's 3 more to go. We gotta find all of them.
There's, oh, 2 more. Better find 2 more.
Lincoln, you gotta come help us find it. Oh,
Not in there, come here.
you gotta come find it, Cody.
What?
Let Lincoln find one. Let Lincoln find one. Has-
Oh. Is there any?
So is there one more to be found then?
I'm missing
I
one.
honestly don't know where it is.
No.
I don't know.
I keep looking, guys.
Soda!
Okay, don't open them yet. Oh, Cody found one.
Oh.
Careful.
Okay. Okay, everybody has to hold those, and we can't open them until tomorrow morning.
Other one.
Today's Halloween.
Yeah, Dad.
All Hallows Eve. Tomorrow's November. So the day we were-
November, December.
Okay, Olivia, is that the end of it? Yeah, what do you guys tell Olivia?
Thank you, Olivia.
Okay, let's open it.
Do you know what? I can't open it. I have to hear one thing first.
Thank you, Olivia.
Well, yes, that. No. What do you always say on Halloween to get your candy?
Trick or treat. You get to eat. If you don't, I don't care. I'll pull down your underwear. Jinx.
Ooh. Yeah, you guys, you can open it. Happy Halloween.
Oh, they just.
Oh, why'd you break your bags?
Get to the extra.
What? You break your bag.
Jump it out, Boston. Lincoln, look at your happy Halloween.
Thank you, Dad. Whoa! Thank you, everyone.
I got my favorite flavor, I got banana.
Wow.
These are the king size.
That's right. Olivia, that had to have been the cutest scavenger hunt I've ever seen.
I was so confused when she was setting it up. I was like, I'm not following anything. I hope this makes sense. Olivia, that was like Dora the Explorer style, where you had to like go to a destination, multiple choice questions. Like,
No one helped her with it either. I seriously love her little cards. Like, I'm not over it yet.
No, that's pretty sweet.
You're so grown up. Happy Halloween, guys. Thank you for making it special for Mom. Kids are playing with the doorbell. Before we go out, I wanted to show you that I'm wearing the long sleeve black outfit for Halloween today. I have socks on. It goes down a little past my ankle. This is the thicker version, so it's like a little warmer, a little thicker than our original black set. And I'm wearing it with some tennis shoes, and then like later, if it gets colder, I have like a sweater that I can wear over it. But anyway, just thought I'd show you that I'm wearing the new Bali sweat outfit. I think we're sold out of a couple sizes, so if you want one, you gotta go get one.
Hey, do you have the key?
Yeah.
If we want to get one, then we gotta go where?
To balibrand.com. And the link will be in the description. Okay, let's go. We're going into town, everybody. We are so excited. Oh, it's actual gingerbread.
Look how cute it is. It's made, the wood frame is beautiful, and then they just decorate it.
It smells delicious. Or that is Rice
Are you ladies in
Krispies.
charge of it every year?
Really?
You guys do great.
Rice Krispies actual gingerbread that they are cutting to size right now. This is so fun. They're getting ready for Christmas. Oh my gosh, so cute. So she said because of COVID, they have to scale down because you don't have enough employees. So this is small compared to what you normally do?
Yeah, you didn't see the last year?
I do, but I guess I don't remember how big it
It was
was.
like to the ceiling. You couldn't see the ceiling.
Yeah.
Wow. It is just as fun to us to walk through this hotel than walking anywhere. This hotel is so beautiful. It is one of our favorites. You guys ready? All right, I hope you guys are gearing up. Remember last night when I was very poorly trying to show you what store we were talking about? There it is. There she is, everybody.
Okay, go, bossy.
No, you don't. You gotta let it. You gotta let it carry.
I'm freaking out about a pair of shoes.
Are so giddy. Olivia got a new pair of shoes
And a
because
sticker.
she needed it. A sticker to go on her water bottle.
Not the black one, but the
a
pink.
matching hoodie. I will link those in the description. Who would have thought that would make such a young child happy?
Like screaming in a parking lot. Like I'm.
She's beyond giddy. And do you know what the kid said to me in the car? This is the best Halloween.
I get a pair of shoes.
Not just that. Well, and the boys, they've been spotting cars. It just genuinely has been a very good family time. They said this is the best Halloween. We don't want to do it again next year, but it was a really good Halloween. Made my heart happy. That's all I needed to hear, yeah?
I'm enjoying myself.
Oh, I am. We had some really amazing visitors at the mall. I'm on cloud 9. It's what my heart needed. This, for that one encounter alone, that's why we were here. We were here for that encounter, and my heart feels a little healed. Just a little. So,
I'm like so.
I'm on cloud 9, she's on cloud 9. We're gonna go swimming again.
We'll go swimming for the 3rd time.
Yeah, we're gonna go swimming again. I'm sorry, I have to say this again. I was pushed a little bit for us to leave and not do Halloween the same. I got a little backlash for it, a little, and I felt like a little like, that's why we were supposed to come. Like the spirit, I'm feeling it in my chest. Like I feel it. Oh, there's a whole group of people that are watching me. Been doing this for 6 years and I still get embarrassed.
Now you know how I feel like in school. When everyone's like, I saw your mom on TikTok. I see you guys' channel. I see this. I'm like, no, they literally come up and they're like, I saw your mom on TikTok.
I am going to end the vlog by saying this. You are smart enough. You don't need someone to tell you what to do. You don't need someone to validate you. You are enough. Your own thoughts between you and God, you are enough. You know the decisions, you know the answers in your own mind. You need to trust that. Happy freaking Halloween 2020. Was it unconventional? Yes. That's what we all needed. We all needed something earth-shattering to get our lives straight. Seriously. Is that what COVID was meant for? Is that what like all of this was meant for? Start over, start fresh, and get your priorities straight. Get your mind straight. Get your diet straight. Straighten out your life. You need to. You deserve to. That's where I'm gonna end the vlog. Good night.
Well, it's a full moon, it's a blue moon, and if you're wondering, oh, the camera just doesn't even do it justice. But if you're wondering, this is the 2nd time that we've had a full moon this month, and the last time that happened was in 1947.
Look at that blue stick up there.
Yeah, truly, this view is not doing what is actually in front of me justice.
Now what is that blue?
Okay, truly, good night everybody. We love you so much. We love you so much, and I hope the best for all of you. Happy Halloween!